Morning students. In last lecture, we had studied mean and mean variance and standard deviation. And we had done only one question from that theory. Next question is question number 81. Find the mean and variance of number of heads obtained when three coins are tossed together. So here your random experiment is you have to toss three coins together. And your random variables is number of heads. Okay. So here sample space is HHH, HHT, HTH, THH, TTT, TTH, THT, and HTT. So number of heads can be 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. X and 0. So when number of heads is 0, there is only one element, that is TTT. So probability is 1 by 8. One head, there are three elements, that is TTH, THT, and HTT. So probability is 3 by 8. Two heads, again there are three elements, HHT, HTH, and THH. So again the probability is 3 by 8. Three heads, so probability is 1 by 8. Okay, so that is your probability distribution. Now here we have to find mean and variance. So first we will find mean. So formula for mean is sigma xi into p of xi. I is equals to 1 to 4. Here your random variables is x1, x2, x3, and x4. So mean is equal to 0 into 1 by 8 plus 1 into 3 by 8 plus 2 into 3 by 8 plus 3 into 1 by 8 plus 3 into 1 by 8. So that is equal to LCM is 8. Here it is 0 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3. So that is 12 by 8. So that is 3 by 2. Means your mean is 3 by 2. Now for variance, first we need to find is E of x square, that is your mean, that is E of x. Formula for variance is E of x square minus E of x whole square. So first we need to find is E of x square. So E of x square means sigma I is equals to 1 to 4 xi square into p of xi. જે રેન્ડમ વેરિયેબલ ની પોસિબલ વેલ્યુઝ છે એનો સ્ક્વેર કરીને એનો પ્રોબેબિલિટી સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનો. So that is 0 square into 1 by 8 plus 1 square into 3 by 8 plus 2 square into 3 by 8 plus 3 square into 1 by 8. So again LCM is 8. In numerator it is 0 plus 3. 2 square 4, 4 3s are 12, 3 square 9, 9 ones are 9. So 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 9 24 by 8, that is 3. E of x square is 3. So now variance b of x is equals to E of x square minus E of x whole square. So E of x square is 3 and E of x, that is 3 by 2 whole square. So 3 minus 9 by 4. So 4 3s are 12, 12 minus 9. So 3 by 4. So variance is 3 by 4. In case if it is asked standard deviation, sigma x means under root of variance. So that is under root of 3 by 4. So that is root 3 by 2. Question માં પૂછ્યું નથી પણ જો સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ડેવિએશન પૂછે તો આટલી કેલ્ક્યુલેશન ખાલી વધારે આવે. ક્લિયર? Next question, question number 82. Two cards are drawn together or one by one without replacement from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. So your random experiment is select two cards from well shuffled 52 cards. Okay, and your random variable is find the mean variance and standard deviation of number of kings. Random variable is number of kings. We have to select two cards. तो टू कार्ड सिलेक्ट करो એમાં નંબર ઓફ કિંગ્સ ની પોસિબિલિટી તો કે કા 0 का किंग હોય or else 1 king or else 2 king. ओके तो પહેલા 1 by 1 આપણે બધી પ્રોબેબિલિટીઝ ફાઇન્ડ કરી લી. 4 p of x is equals to 0 means 0 king king એક પણ ન હોય તો both the cards are other type of cards. Both the cards are other types of cards. In total 52 cards there are 4 kings means other cards are 48. So you have to select two cards from the other cards. Total other cards are 48. So from that two cards can be selected in 48 C2 is and total number of possibility. Total cards are 52 cards. So total number of possibilities are 52 C2. So that is 48 upon 47 into 2 into 1. 52 into 51 upon 2 into 1. 2 into 1, 2 into 1 cancel. 12, 13. Okay. So that is 47 into 12, that is 470 plus 94. 576, 564 upon 51 into 13. So that is 510 plus 153. 510 plus 153. That is 663. Yes, that is 63. So 564 upon 663. Next, P of x is equals to 1. Means in the selection there is one king and one other card. One king and one other card. One king means 4c1. We can select one king from the four kings in 4c1 ways, as well as other cards are 41. We can select 48c1 ways. Total selection is again 52c2. So that is 4 into 48 upon 52 into 51 upon 21. So 4 13s are 51 into 13 મારી પાસે છે એટલે as it is રાખો 63. 2 numerator માં જાય so 48 into 2 is 96. So 96 upon 663. Last, P of x is equal to 2. Means both the cards are king and there will be 0 other cards. So we can select two kings from the four kings in 4c2 ways and total number of ways are 52 c2. So 4c2 means 4 3 2 1 and it is 52 into 51 1 2 into 1 1 cancel 13. 3 into 17 થાય પણ આપણે બધા ડિનોમિનેટર માં 663 રાખેલા કેલ્ક્યુલેશન થોડી ઈઝી પડે હું અહીં કેન્સલ નહીં કરું છું that is 3 upon 6. Now check 564 plus 96. 564 plus 96 that is 660. 660 plus 3 663. 663 by 663 means what? Means our probability distribution is correct. So now make a table of probability distribution. 0 kings. Probability is 564 upon 663. 1 king. Probability is 96 upon 663. And 2 kings. Probability is 3 upon 6. That is your probability distribution. Now, first we need to find is mean. Symbol is E of x. Formula is sigma xi into p of xi. Here there are three xi, x1, x2, x3. So I is equal to 1, 2, 3. So that is 0 into 564 by 663 plus 1 into 96 by 663 plus 2 into 3 by 663. So LCM is 663. Here 0 plus 96 into 1 is 96. 3 into 2 is 6. So answer is 102 by 663. Calculator માં કરજો. Okay, 34 by 2 to 1. Directly cancel થાય છે આન્સર. પોઈન્ટ માં લખો તોય ભલે or else fraction માં લખો હોય. So 34 into 3 is 101 and that is 2 to 1. So answer is 34 upon 2 to 1. That is your mean. Now for variance, first we need to find is e of x square. So e of x square is equals to sigma is equals to 1 to 3 xi square into p of xi. So that is 0 square into 564 by 663 plus 1 square into 96 by 663 plus 2 square into 3 by 663. So that is 663. 1 square into 96 is 96. 2 square 4. 4 3 are 12. So that is 108 by 663. Okay. 3 3 cancel also. So that is 36 upon 51. 36 upon 51. So now your variance is e of x square minus e of x whole square. E of x square is 36 upon 2 to 1 minus that is 34 upon 2 to 1 whole square. You can do your calculation. Calculation जाते कर ले जो. Therefore calculator. And last one standard deviation. Standard deviation is the square root of variance. Square root of variance. तो जहाँ value आवे मैं square root में substitute कर देજો. That is your standard deviation. Clear? Okay. Next question number 83. Two dice are thrown simultaneously. X denotes the number of 6. Find the expected value of x. Expected value of x means mean. બરાબર mean નું બીજું નામ છે expected value of x. So that you can do in homework. Question number 80. Expected value means mean. Next question. Is question number 84. One word is selected at random from the sentence. The girl put on her beautiful blue hat. Find expected number of words in the selected word. Sorry, expected number of letters. Printing mistake છે. Expected number of words नहीं आवे. Expected number of letters આવશે. Okay. Sentences. A girl put find the expected number of letters in selected word. Okay. So હવે here in first word there are 3 letters. In second word 4 letters, 3 letters, 2 letters, 3 letters, 8 letters, 4 letters and 3 letters. So in different words there are different number of letters. Here random variable is number of letters in a word. Okay, so x and p of x. So minimum letters are 2. 2 letter વાળો એક જ word છે. And total words are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So probability is 1 by 8. Okay. 2 letter no word select થાય એની probability 1 by 8. 3 letter no word select થાય 1 2 3 and 4, that is 4 by 8. And 4 letter words selected એક જ, sorry, 2 words girl and blue. Okay, probability is 2 by 8. And last is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 letter word ની probability 1 by 8. 8 letter word select થાય એની probability 1 by 8. આપણે expected value find કરવાની છે. Expected value means e of x. So e of x is equal to sigma xi into e of xi. I is equals to, total we have 4 variables x1 x2 x3 and x4. So I is equals to 1 to 4. So that is 2 into 1 by 8 plus 3 into 4 by 8 plus 4 into 2 by 8 plus 8 into 1 by 8. So LCM is 8. 2 into 1 2, 4 3 are 12, 4 2 are 8, 8 1 are 8. 8 plus 8 16, 12 28, 2 30 by 8. It's 15 by 4. Second 31 by 8 आएगा. We get 30 by 8. की mistake मध्ये sentence, the girl put on her beautiful. Oh, spelling mistake थी गई. B-E-A-U. Okay, so here it is 9. So here it is 9. 9 into 1 by 8. So that is 9. Is 31 by 8. एक स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक थी, आपको आंसर जल्दी गयो. स्पेलिंग खास ध्यान રાખો. B-A-U-T-I. Okay, next question. Question number 85. Chabil and Sarath agree to play a game of tossing a balanced die. If an integer less than 3 is obtained on the die, Chabil agree to pay rupees 5 to Sarath. On throwing any other integer, how much amount Sarath should pay to Chabil so that game become fair? Game fair ક્યારે થાય? તો કે જ્યારે mean 0 હોય ને ત્યારે game fair થાય. E of x is 0, then game is fair. If it is greater than 0, then it is favorable to player. જે player કીધું એ. And when it is less than 0, it is against the player. It is against to player. બરાબર. ટેક્સ્ટ બુક માંથી એની નથી આવી, પણ આ ટાઈપના ક્વેશ્ચન આવે છે. When mean is 0, game is fair. Mean is greater than 0, favorable to player. Mean is less than 0, against to player. Clear? Question number 85. Here game is tossing a balanced die. પછી શું કીધું છે? If an integer less than 3, here sample space is 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. પછી if an integer less than 3 obtain the die, Chabil agrees to pay rupees 5 to Sharad. On throwing any other integer, how much amount Sharad should pay to Chabil so that the game becomes fair? બરાબર. Let me assume, let Sharad give rupees x to Chabil. So then gain become. Okay, so here random variable is rupees. Here your random variable is amount to be paid. Okay, so random variable x p of x. શરતે છબીલને x રૂપીસ આપ્યા ક્યારે કે જ્યારે less than 3 માં છબીલ શરતને આપે છે એના સિવાયમાં means when 3 4 5 or 6 will come at that time શરત have to pay rupees x to છબીલ, so probability is 4/6. otherwise છબીલ give to શરત તો એ રૂપીસ આપણે માઈનસમાં લેશું. આપણે રેન્ડમ વેરિયેબલ એમ જ સિલેક્ટ કરી કે શરતે રૂપીસ દેવાના છે, શરતે રૂપીસ દેવાના છે બરાબર, કે શરતે છબીલને x રૂપીસ દીધા તો જ્યારે શરત પાસે આવે or else x ને માઈનસ લ્યો બરાબર, એક કોઈ એક માઈનસ લેવું પડશે અને એક પ્લસ થશે બરાબર. તો માઈનસ કેટલા રૂપીસ આપશે 5. ક્યારે ઇન્ટીજર 3 કરતા ઓછો હશે 2/. રેડી. બીજી રીતે આપણે રેન્ડમ વેરિયેબલ x ને લખીએ તો રેન્ડમ વેરિયેબલ x એમ લખી નાખીએ અહીંયા. છબીલ receives the amount that is your random variable x. તો જ્યારે છબીલને રૂપીસ મળશે that is plus x. છબીલ જ્યારે પે કરશે એટલે છબીલ પાસેથી રૂપીસ ઓછા થશે so that is minus 5. clear? so minus 5 2/6. 4 gain becomes fair. E of x must be 0. E of x must be 0. Now here E of x is x into 4/6 plus minus 5 into 2/6 is equals to 0. Okay. So x into 4/6 is equals to 5 into 2/6. 6 cancel. So x is equals to 5/2. 2 to the 4. X is equals to 5/2. Means when Sarat gives rupees 5/2 to Chabil, then game becomes fair. Okay. Next question. Question number 86. Two numbers are drawn from the first 6 positive integers. Let x denote the larger number of the two numbers. Find E of x. Here we have to select two numbers without replacement. આની હું તમને પ્રોબેબિલિટી ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન બનાવું છું, મીન અને વેરિયન્સ તમારે જાતે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાના છે. ઓકે, here we have to select two numbers without replacement from first 6 positive integer. From first 6 positive integers. Okay, so simple spaces without replacement છે એટલે જે નંબર એકવાર સિલેક્ટ થયો છે એ નંબર પાછો સિલેક્ટ થશે નહીં. So your random simple space will be 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 and 1 6. 2 1 2 3 2 4 2 5 and 2 6. 3 1 3 2 3 4 3 5 and 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 5 4 6. 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 6. 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 2. Is your sample space. Now your random variable is larger of the two numbers. Larger of the two numbers. Larger of the two numbers. So here larger number 1 તો થશે જ નહીં, બરાબર. લાર્જર નંબર ક્યારે 1 આવશે જ નહીં, તો લાર્જર નંબર ક્યાંથી સ્ટાર્ટ થશે, તો either larger number is 2 or it is 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. So larger number 2 ક્યારે આવશે, in how many elements, in 2 elements, and total number of elements are 30. So probability is 2 by 30. Larger number is 3, in how many elements, in these 4 elements. So probability is 4 by 30. Larger number is 4, in how many elements, in 6 elements. In these 6 elements, larger number is 4. So that is 6 by 30. Larger number is 5, in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements. So 8 by 30. Larger number is 6, in 10 elements. The probability is 8 by 30. Okay, so that is your probability distribution. Now you can find mean, variance and standard deviation from this. Okay, khali mean is find karano means 2 into this plus 3 into this plus 4 into this plus 5 into this plus 6 into this. So that can be done easily. Okay, next question, question number 87. A class has 15 students whose ages are 14, 17, 15, 14, 21, 17, 19, 20, 16, 18, 20, 17 to 16, 19 and 20 years. One student is selected at random and his age is noted. What is the probability? That question you can do easily. So question number 87 is in homework. Question number 87 is in homework. Next question, question number 88. Complete करवाना है, okay? In a meeting, 70% of the members favor, 30% oppose a certain proposal. A member is selected at random. Take x is equals to 0 if you oppose and x is equals to 1 if he favors. Find e of x and variance of x. It is also easy. 88 is in also homework. X is equals to 0, 70%. Oppose much 30% means 3 by 10. 30 by 100 means 3 by 10. Now 1, 7 by 10. Who is the question? Find the mean of numbers obtained when a die having written 1 on 3 faces, 2 on 2 faces and 5 on 1 faces. 1 वाला 3 face છે, 2 वाला 2 face છે, sorry 1 वाला 1 on 3, हाँ 2 वाला 2 face છે અને 5 वाला 1 face છે. So probability distribution for this question જાતે જ હોમવર્ક માં જ કરવાનો છે, ખાલી probability distribution સમજાવું છું. 1 આવે એની probability, 2 આવે એની probability અને 5 આવે એની probability. 1 3 phases ઉપર છે, so probability is 3 by 6. 2 2 phases ઉપર છે, 2 by 6. 5 1 phase ઉપર છે, 1 by 6. So that is probability distribution. You can now easily find mean. Next, find the expected number of ace cards obtained when the two cards are drawn together from a deck of 52 cards. Mean find કરવાનો. Same question આપણે કર્યો, question number 82. Question number 82. In that also we have to select two cards together. Here also we have to select two cards together. Here number of kya cards હતા? King. અહીંયા છે S. Same question, ખાલી mean find કરવાનો છે. આપણે ત્રણેય find કર્યું હતું. In that question answer of mean is 34 by 221. And here answer is 2 by 13. Both are same. 17 2s and 17 into 13. So answer is same. So I same to same question કર્યો છે. So question 90 is in question 90 is in homework. Okay. So in next lecture we will start with the next topic, that is Bernoulli theorem and binomial distribution. That is the last theory of this chapter. बाकी बધી theory complete થઈ ગઈ છે. That will be the last theory of this chapter. Okay. Thank you.